Welcome back. So today we gonna go check out, I want to say either one or two of my other cars, and I'm gonna take y'all with me to see the other vehicles I have. But in the meantime, something happened, had to switch vehicles. About to unwrap my baby.
Come on. They don't make them like they used to these days. They don't make them like they used to these days. They don't make them like they used to. They don't make them like they used to these days. They don't make them like they used to these days. They don't make them like they used to. They don't make them like they used to these days. They don't make them like they used to these days. They don't make them like they used to. I'm just coming down, ride roads, drop the top so I can holler at the. I'm feeling cool, cause everything new in my old school. I could care less, they jealous. Them niggas, them.
Yo, this is my favorite part. So now we gotta play a little roulette and move this out, put my wife's car back, so we can take this. Man, I can't get enough of this car, man. I swear I can't. Still my favorite. Don't tell my Cadillac that, but the Cadillac will definitely be like my most custom. This is probably, I'm gonna say this is my favorite stock car, you know what I'm saying? Which it ain't gonna be stock for long, but you know, I ain't gonna do too much. Like, yeah, did that. Cool, that's locking. Yeah, we finna get a little rolling footage, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I love this car, man. So one of the things I will be doing very soon, I got cardboard in the trunk. I will be making a template to put a double din so I can keep my stock radio, because my stock radio still work. I ain't trying to get copyrighted or nothing, but you know, just so you know what I'm saying, it still work. So that's the next thing we'll be doing. Yeah, this is my 1986 Pontiac Grand Prix. Yo, this was originally my grandma's car and also a vehicle for the channel. I'm gonna come get this real soon because I don't like how it's looking right now. This car was like perfect when it sat down. Of course the inside was also perfect, but I'm gonna have to redo all of this.
The weather's still clean. So bad started driving.
Front seats are still in pretty good condition. The dashboard, however, for like some of it, got sun damage. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get this in like a week or two, honestly, just cause yeah, it can't sit here like this. Let's see, inspection sticker says 2010, but battery, different things. But yeah, so that's the Grand Prix, but she'll be back. I promise you she'll be back. A couple thousand and it'll be good as new. I do not remember how many miles is on it. I want to say like 150,000, 100,000, 104, I don't know. But yeah, this is up the country, yo. So when I say I gotta come back to get it, I literally mean come back. Like, as you see, this is not Richmond, Virginia at all. Look at this. You could probably walk around this town and see nobody. But yeah, man, that's where I grew up. I used to love this place. No, that has nothing to do about cars. But anyway, but yeah, come up with some ideas. Let me know what y'all think I should do. Swap this as well. LS1, LS2, LS3, 350. Like I said, I'm probably really just gonna get the 350 and get it up and running. Like I said, the goal for this year is to get every car that I have running, moving, driving, and then, you know, start doing customizations as I want or need, or you know how that goes. But you don't really see these cars as much anymore either. That's what's crazy to me. Like, I was born in the 80s. Like, these cars, we used to see these joints all the time. My mom used to have a 84, different color. It was like raspberry, half raspberry on the top and navy blue on the sides. Let's see, I think I'll be doing another video. I think when I get back to the house, well, my mom's house, I'm gonna show y'all another car I have. This is the same day, but now we gotta go back to Chesterfield, and it's about like 60 some miles from here. All right, we back in civilization, as you see. Suburb life, you know what I'm saying? Suburb life. So just got through showing y'all the 1986 Grand Prix I have, and now the newest car I actually own, 05 Lincoln Towncar. So this is, hold on, let's get the focus right. There we go. This is my 05 Lincoln Towncar. I bought it like 3 years ago with 66,000 miles on it. I think right now it just hit 80 even. This car, though it's a project, it's not really, like, I'm not really doing much of anything to this car but driving it. I will be putting wheels on it, probably some Vogues. I take it back, not probably, definitely putting some Vogues on it. And y'all see the plate. I'd hate me too. California car, all original. I'm the second owner. The top is sun damaged, and this little window situation never went back up. I think I need a regulator. I think the motor's fine. And then of course you can see how it's sitting, that I definitely need air shocks, and that's the reason I stopped driving it. Other than that, and a battery, just from it sitting so long at this point. This car set because I was not fixing any of my vehicles until after my baby was born. And that's why this car sat, because all this stuff started needing all this stuff around the time that my baby girl was about to be born, and I was not about to spend money on a car with my first child on the way. But now me and wifey's little girl is 8 months old, so I'm back to playing with these cars. But yes, this is the 05 Lincoln Towncar. I will be getting the top redone back in tan. It does have a tan stripe on it. There are some very little imperfections that I bought the car with. This whole left side has been, well, left rear from the back door on the opposite side has been repainted. The only spot that I know for a fact was in a little situation was right here, but I bought this car with this little dent. I don't even know if y'all can see it. Let's see. Without going out of focus. Yeah, y'all can kind of see it. But yeah, car has tan leather seats. You know, look in this window because I don't have the key and I don't really feel like going in it. But I assure you that the inside, this was a old lady's car. She literally, all she did was drive it to and from church and to and from the store. So yeah, I got a bunch of like old people cars, man. Second owner of this one and that one. This one will have a tan top. That one got the tan top. That one got Vogues. This one's getting Vogues. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm an old school young dude, you know what I'm saying? That's how we do it. But yeah, little imperfections. That's one. But no rips in the seats, no tears. Back seats look brand new. Front seats look brand new. Only other thing I'll probably do, you know, I don't think I'm gonna put a sound system in this car. I might put 112 or something, but for the most part, I'm just gonna put a deck in it, double din, and let it rock. Let's see. Of course, I got another little scuff right there, a little crack right there. But yeah, other than that, that's all this needs. But yeah, so Lincoln Towncar, as soon as I get the air ride, that'll be back up and running. The Pontiac's coming back to Richmond, so I can get that up and running. You know, until then, I'm just having fun with my baby, man. I'm having fun with her right here. She's still clean. Get that focus right there. We go. But her, I just got to keep driving this, putting miles on it, because it's set for so long that, you know, it definitely needs to be driven. So I'm gonna try not to put too many miles on it, just because, you know, it only has 15,000. But you know, got my camera bags in the back for the most part. Y'all know what this car about. But yeah, man, I'm about to head out. And I'll see y'all in the next one, man. So that's it for this one. I still do have some other vehicles, so I'll be doing this for a good little minute, courtesy of my hobby / habit. And y'all stay tuned, because the surprise about the vehicles is on the way. Also, y'all pray for me, man, because I hope I never, that whole midlife crisis thing, I hope I don't hit it, because if I hit it, I'm gonna have like 52 cars. And I know my wife love me, but you know, that's next level. You know what I'm saying? It's top tier. This dude might have a problem type, you know what I'm saying, situations. I mean, Tweety, we out.
I want it all, bitch. I want it all. Yeah, I want it all, bitch. I want it all. Yeah, them perfect clothes. Yeah, I want it all. Yeah, the perfect clothes. Yeah, I want it all. I want it nachos like nachos. My pocket's so cheesy.